Hi students, welcome back to our science online class. In our previous section, we studied about the matter. Matter is anything that occupies space and has mass. Today, we are going to learn about the different properties of matter. Can you classify these objects according to the state of matter which they exist? Absolutely right. We can classify these objects into solids, liquids, and gas. Solid, liquid, and gas. You are familiar with the three states of matter. Are you ready to explore the three states of matter in a more scientific way based on their properties, shape and volume, compressibility, rigid or fluid? The first one is solid. Do solids have a fixed shape? Yes, you are right. It has a fixed shape. So, solid have a fixed shape. Also, they have a fixed volume. That means we can calculate the volume. Let's check the compressibility of solid. Solids are difficult to compress. For example, if I try to compress this cube, I can't compress this cube. So, solids are incompressible. Next, are solids rigid or fluid? That's right, solids are rigid because they have a fixed shape. Fluids are things that can flow. Fluids are things that can flow. So, solid is rigid. We need to check that solid fill the container completely. If I try to put these balls in this basket, is it fill the basket completely? No, solids do not fill the container completely. So, these are the properties of solid that we discuss. It has a fixed shape and fixed volume. It is incompressible. Solids are rigid and solid do not fill container completely. So, let's discuss about liquid. Liquids have a fixed volume but no fixed shape. Transfer the water in the beaker to the different containers, the final volume is same. So, liquid have a fixed volume, but they don't have a fixed shape. It takes the shape of the container. Next, talk about the compressibility of liquids. I am taking the bottle filled with water completely and try to compress it, but I can't. Why? Do you know the reason? Liquids are almost incompressible, just like solids. Liquids are almost incompressible, just like solids. Are liquids rigid or fluid? Yes, correct. It's fluid. Fluid means it can flow easily. As you can see, water can flow. Do liquids fill the container completely? No, it occupies only its own volume. Do not fill the container completely. It occupies only its own volume. So, these are the properties of liquids. It has no fixed shape, but it has a fixed volume. It is incompressible. Liquids are fluid. Liquids do not fill container completely. So, let's discuss about gases. Gases have neither a fixed shape nor a fixed volume. Like liquids, gases take the shape of the container. One difference is the container needs to be closed. Gases have no fixed volume. The volume of the gas is equal to the volume of the gas container. Let's talk about the compressibility of gas. Gases are highly compressible. Gases are usually stored under high pressure since they are highly compressible. That way, we can fit more of the gas in a small container. For example, CNG, compressible natural gas, is stored in cylinders at high pressures. Like liquids, gases are fluids. It can spread easily. When you open a perfume bottle in a room, the smell spreads to the entire room. So the room is like a container to the perfume gas. So gases fill the container completely. So these are the properties of gases we discussed. Gases have no fixed shape, no fixed volume. Gases are compressible. Gases are fluid. It can fill the container completely. For your information, the matter is also found in states other than solid, liquid, and gas. The fourth state of matter is plasma. Matter is found in plasma state in the central part of the sun and other stars. Plasma is a state of matter in which the particle exists in ionized state at very high temperature. The fifth and sixth states of matter are named Bose-Einstein condensate and fermionic condensate. Another state of matter is superfluid state. All these states can be generated in the laboratory only under special conditions. So today we discuss the three states of matter based on their properties, shape and volume, compressibility, rigid or fluid. Do they fill the container completely? So that's all for today. Thank you.